Persuasion. The very word evokes images of slick salesmen, cunning politicians, and manipulative tactics. Yet, at its core, persuasion is a fundamental human interaction, a cornerstone of communication, and a vital skill for navigating the complexities of life. It's about understanding others, connecting with them on an emotional level, and effectively communicating your ideas to inspire action. True persuasion, however, is not about manipulation or coercion. It's about building bridges of understanding, fostering trust, and inspiring others to embrace your vision. It's about presenting your ideas in a compelling and convincing manner, while respecting the autonomy and individuality of your audience. The power of persuasion in everyday life. Persuasion permeates every aspect of our lives. From negotiating a raise at work to convincing a friend to try a new restaurant, we are constantly engaged in the art of persuasion. In the workplace, persuasive communication is essential for leadership, teamwork, and achieving organizational goals. In our personal lives, it helps us build stronger relationships, resolve conflicts, and navigate social situations with grace and confidence. The pillars of persuasion. Effective persuasion rests on three key pillars. Ethos, building credibility and trust. Establishing credibility is paramount. This involves demonstrating your expertise, knowledge, and trustworthiness. Share your credentials, cite credible sources, and present your arguments with clarity and confidence. Authenticity is key. Be genuine and transparent in your communication. Pathos, appealing to emotions. Connect with your audience on an emotional level. Use stories, anecdotes, and vivid imagery to evoke empathy, inspire passion, and create a sense of shared purpose. Understand and address the emotional needs and desires of your audience. Logos, appealing to logic and reason. Present your arguments with logic and reason. Use data, facts, and evidence to support your claims. Frame your arguments in a clear, concise, and persuasive manner. The art of storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful tool for persuasion. Humans are inherently drawn to stories. They help us to connect with others on a deeper level, to understand complex issues, and to remember information more effectively. Craft compelling narratives, weave your message into a compelling story that resonates with your audience. Use vivid imagery and sensory details, paint a picture with your words, allowing your audience to experience your message through their senses. Incorporate personal anecdotes, sharing personal experiences can make your message more relatable and impactful. Building rapport and establishing trust. Building rapport is crucial for effective persuasion. Active listening, pay close attention to your audience's needs and concerns. Empathy and understanding, show genuine empathy and understanding for their perspectives. Find common ground, identify shared values and interests to build a sense of connection and rapport. Build trust through transparency and honesty, be upfront about your intentions and be honest about any limitations or potential drawbacks. The importance of nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication plays a crucial role in persuasion. Body language, maintain eye contact, use open and inviting body language, and project confidence. Tone of voice, vary your tone of voice to keep your audience engaged and emphasize key points. Active listening, pay attention to your audience's nonverbal cues, such as body language and facial expressions. Ethical considerations in persuasion. While persuasion is a powerful tool, it's crucial to use it ethically and responsibly. Avoid manipulation and coercion, avoid using deceptive tactics or manipulating people for your own gain. Respect the autonomy of others, respect the right of others to make their own choices and decisions. Focus on building win-win situations, strive to find solutions that benefit both you and your audience. Continuous learning and improvement. Persuasion is a skill that requires continuous learning and refinement. Seek feedback, ask for feedback from trusted friends, colleagues, and mentors. Practice and refine your skills, regularly practice your persuasive communication skills through presentations, debates, and other opportunities. Stay informed, stay abreast of the latest research and insights into human psychology and communication. The power of persuasion in a changing world. In today's interconnected world, the ability to persuade is more important than ever before. In the digital age, we are constantly bombarded with information and competing messages. Navigating the digital landscape, persuasive communication is essential for navigating the digital world, from social media to online marketing. Building a personal brand, persuasion plays a crucial role in building a strong personal brand and establishing yourself as a thought leader. Driving social change, persuasive communication can be used to drive social change, raise awareness about important issues, and inspire action. Conclusion. Persuasion is a powerful tool that can be used for good or for ill. When used ethically and responsibly, it can be a force for positive change, enabling us to achieve our goals, build stronger relationships, and make a meaningful impact on the world. By cultivating strong communication skills, understanding human psychology, and embracing ethical principles, we can harness the power of persuasion to inspire, motivate, and create a better future for ourselves and for others. The journey of mastering persuasion is a lifelong endeavor, but the rewards are immeasurable. So, embrace the challenge, hone your skills, and use the power of persuasion to make a positive difference in the world.